Why is sociology one of the most reliable optional in UPSC Civil Services examination? UPSC in its annual report says sociology has one of the topmost success rate, that is 10%. Sociology is most popular optional for the following reasons. Number 1, high return on investment. Sociology syllabus has a massive overlap with the syllabus of GS as well as SA. Sociology also will be very useful in your personality test. Number 2, highly predictable. We, through our hit list in the last 15 years, have predicted UPSC sociology with a 95% accuracy. Number 3, no academic background needed. You can be a student of medicine, student of engineering, arts and science. Anyone can select sociology as their optional because this is not just a subject, it is a living and breathing reality. In our upcoming Sociology Foundation course, I will not only teach sociology syllabus, I will train your brain to write the exact and the most sophisticated answer which UPSC examiners will be looking for. Target 300 plus in sociology optional. Our sociology master classes will be commencing on June 24, 2026. The details of the course is given in the description link. Thank you.